You will need an existing Wi-Fi connection in your home or at your office. And you can connect multiple devices to your new Canon PIXMA TS6360 printer wirelessly using your router. To enable the Wi-Fi feature, from the home screen, push the OK button to get to the menu. Using the arrow buttons, make the following selections. From the menu, scroll down to Wi-Fi Setup. Press the OK button to select that option. Scroll down to Manual Connect and press the OK button to select. The printer will now search for the available router. All options will come up on the screen. Use the arrow keys to select the desired router. Now enter your password, using the up and down keys to change text and numbers. Press the OK button to confirm each character. Once entered, press the Start key to confirm the password. Your printer will now confirm that you are connected to the router. A symbol will appear on the screen to confirm wireless connection. Now let's set up your Android smartphone. You will now need your Android smartphone to be connected to the existing router to complete this part of the setup. Open the Canon Print app. A menu on the phone will show the available printer. In this case, it's the TS6360 series. Select that option. Now the phone and the printer will automatically connect. Your phone will now confirm connection. Select an image from your phone and test a print. You will notice that on the 6360, the tray will automatically slide out when the printer is ready to print. Thanks for choosing a Canon TS6360.